using preposition. Look at the following sentence. The jug is on the table. The word on shows the relation between the jug and the table. The duck is in the pond. The word in shows the relation between the duck and the pond. Sudha jumped into the river. The word into shows the relation between the act of jumping and the river. The house is behind the tree. The word behind shows the relation between the house and the tree. The word on, in, into, and behind are placed before nouns or pronouns, and they show the relation between these nouns or pronouns and some other words in the sentence. These words are called prepositions. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Preposition includes some of the smallest words in the language, but we have to be careful, to be very careful in using them. Our choice of the preposition depends on the relation we want to express. In the following sentence, the jug is on the table. The jug is under the table, and the jug is near the table. So, on, under, near are the preposition. There it is written as it is on, under, and near that shows the relation between the jug and the table. Next page. Underline the preposition in the following sentence. Open your book at page 54. The preposition is at. There are two boys standing behind the gate. Behind is the preposition. My 5-year-old sister is very fond of watching Tom and Jerry cartoons. The answer is off. We waited for you at the party. Why did not come yet? Next, you should be careful with the toy. The answer is with. What is the time by your watch? The preposition is by. Many visitors gather in front of the parliamentary house. The answer is the preposition is in front of. There is a portrait of Swami Vivekananda on the wall. The answer is on the wall. Peel the cucumber and chop it into small pieces. The preposition is into. Next, Akram fell off his bike and hurt his arm off. So kids, today we study preposition, and next video we are completing the whole chapter. So bye bye kids, like, subscribe.